Yo guys, the Air Jordan 4 white cement release is finally here, bro. We've been waiting all year for this release, and today is finally today. And before we get any further in today's video, man, let me know down below in the comment section how your Air Jordan 4 white cement release went. Did you get a pair? Did you get an L? Did you get a dub? Did you double up? Did you triple up? And the stuff that I've seen today, what you guys are gonna see in today's video, was kind of crazy. People had like 3-4 pairs. The Nike store had literally hundreds of pairs just behind them. And they said they still had a lot more in stock. But again, you guys are gonna see all that later in the video. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up for your boy, Didnt. Them likes definitely help the channel grow. And again, bro, it's really Saturday, so everybody should be in a good mood. Nobody should have taken L's today unless you only banked on the Nike sneakers app, which I did see some L's on Nike sneakers app, but put your footwork in, your leg work in, and you wanted the shoes, you were able to get them joints today. But again, man, sub up, hit the notification bell if you guys are new here, run the mics up. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick little, you know what I'm saying, outfit check real quick. We're gonna start from the top down. You guys see the Los Angeles cap right here. Nice little side patch with a pin over here. Then we have this profit-minded tee. I don't know if you guys can peep that. Really, really like that right here. Check that out. It says profit-minded. Did an unboxing this the other day. And then you guys already know. And then for the shorts, we got on the Mahara coat right here. Go ahead and check that out. And of course, you guys see we have on the brick by brick Nigel Sylvester's, man. But again, we got some stuff to show y'all. We're doing some foreshadowing because we already got the shoes, but we gotta run here and run the clips because I was looking, I said, bro, hold on. I didn't even do no intro. We gotta do an intro, start the release off right, you feel me? So let's go ahead and jump right into the content. And I had the Meta glasses on, so I was in there recording incognito, man. But I hope you guys enjoy the views. We're gonna be back here doing a recap of the release of the Air Jordan 4 white cement, guys. Oh, that's it. That ain't nothing. Yo, it's not even looking that bad up here. It's crazy. Let's see what they looking like on sneakers real quick. Bro, they sitting. We got some sizes still available. Hey, we here, man. We got Mr. 100K. My bad. I don't even know why I ain't say what's up to y'all. My boy Jay, the sneaker guy. What's going on? My bad, bro. What's going on with y'all, man? What's going on? What's going on? We out here trying to get these fours, man. That's it, man. Yes, sir. Look at the rollie. Hold on. Look at the rollie. Okay. Make sure we straight. Oh yeah, this is where did I get this from? Stinker Town, Miami.
You bought it separate?
Yeah, I bought it. Yeah, I bought it 10 separate. Yeah.
Going on right here. Got
They're here, man. They are here. Back. All right, appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, excuse me. Got some dunks in here. I don't even know what these is called. What is these? Like some mocha joints. The dunk weight that fell off so crazy. And of course, you got the pandas everywhere. I remember I couldn't get a pair for nothing, dog. Now these sitting. Rookie of the year joints. Still might have to do a little reach back and grab these. Sold my highs. These is tough. These is tough, man. All right, this is my first time seeing these in person. I got the joints with the white around the inner sock liner, but these is the first time they came out with the original, black liner. But pretty much the same thing. Still clean. Can't go wrong with a pair of breads, bro. Like, I'm gonna have to reach back and grab these. My pair that I grabbed in like 2014, the last pair that came out, the lows, they're a little beat. So I'm gonna have to get these. And of course, still with the black toes is sitting. Y'all see what's up, bro. Y'all see what's happening, bro. Must cops, must grads. I got hella pairs. Oh my God. Bro, it's about like 200 pairs back there. How many pairs did it have? How many pairs did it have? That's hella.
They got more. Yeah,
oh my God. Bro, that is crazy. Hello? Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And there's more pairs in the back, bro. Ooh. White cement sitting in champs. It's my size too. It's my size. All right, man, so like you guys seen in the video, I was able to secure a pair at the Nike store. And it was almost to the point where it was not even a lot of people in there. I could have went back in there and grab more pairs if I wanted to. So again, bro, the pairs are plentiful. And again, if you wanted them joints, you were able to secure them. But let's go ahead and pull these things out. Kind of recap the release, bro. You know, I thought this had a little bit more momentum, a little bit more want coming to the day, but it was like a lot of pairs and not a lot of people. It was like almost like more shoes than people. The demand wasn't there. I don't know what happened, but prior to the release, everybody was talking about the Air Jordan 4 white cements. Let's go ahead and break these things open, check them out, and yeah, finally got my pair, my size 9.5, and go ahead and check them out, bro. Woo. These things clean, bro. Finally got my size 9.5. I did do an early review, but it was on like a size 12. But that joint was huge, man. I needed my size 9.5, and yeah, these things is looking clean, bro. These things clean. There's something that's just off first rip, bro. Something that I noticed, and I don't want to be the one to complain a lot. I don't want to be the one that's always complaining, but the leather quality is super flat, and it reminds me of the 2016 pair that I released a while back when it had that super flat leather. But it is what it is. I guess this is how they want to do it, making it more towards the OGs. Not too sure. But you gotta see the speckle on that Nike Air. Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see these things clean, man. And yeah, but overall, love them. I've had a pair since the 2016 release, and I beat them things to the ground. And I think I'm gonna do like a comparison, kind of show you guys my pair from 2016 and this one. These are super, like, I don't know what they did with these differently, but man, there's something about these joints that I really like more than my 2016 pair. Yo, something that's also really interesting about these Air Jordan 4 white cements is the resale. Like, right at 10 o'clock when the shoes dropped, they was going for like 270, 260. And now currently when I check on StockX and GOAT, bro, they're going for like 230, 240, which is a good thing. You know, so let me refresh it, make sure I ain't tripping. So it did go back up to around 260-ish. Put a screenshot up here, but my size 9 going for 260. You got some other sizes going for like 240 and stuff like that. And the most expensive sizes are, of course, the bigger sizes, size 12, size 10.5, size 10, and stuff like that. But the prices did dip down. But you should not have to pay resale at all for these, bro. That's how many pairs there were out there, bro. I said, bro, damn, how is there so many pairs of these joints? But like, you know, they said 300,000 pairs, right? Which is less than the Military Blues, less than the Bred Reimagines. But I'm like, bro, if this is 300,000 pairs, this is this easy, bro, I don't even want to see nothing like 400, 500K stock like them Bred, like, you know, the 11s every year. That is a lot of pairs Nike store be having, bro. So I was like, you know, super clutch. You know, so I took an L on the FLX. I was not able to confirm my size in time. It was no error on the app's fault. It was all user error because I waited too long to confirm my pair. I just forgot. I don't know what happened, bro, but I used 40 head starts. But I did ask, I said, you know, if you don't confirm your pair and you won, do you get the points refunded? And they said, yes, you do. So hopefully that is true and I get my points refunded right back to me and bam. But again, bro, Air Jordan 4 white cement release day. I know you guys are excited. It's another Jordan Saturday, and it's the best time of the year, bro. We get some super nostalgic, super classic, super OG back, and I think Nike did a very good job of executing these. Only thing I'm gonna grab and complain about is the stiff leather quality, bro. What's up with the leather quality on these guys? But it is what it is. I just need some toughness to my leather, man. So again, man, let me know down below in the comment section how your release went. Let me know how many pairs you got. I only got one pair. I was being super modest today, and I'm trying to stick to my budget, bro, because I was like, man, I almost have FOMO, you know what I'm saying? The boys got 2 pairs, they doubled up. I said, man, I don't need to do it, bro. I don't need to do it. I'm trying to stay true to my budget, man. Stick to the budget. Write it down, seal it, sign it, and stick to it, bro. Don't get FOMO by your boys and stuff like that when they get 2, 3 pairs and stuff like that, man. 1 pair will be good just for me. I'll be all right with these, and I'm excited about them, bro. And I probably won't wear these for a little minute because my 2016 pair still got some miles on them, you know what I'm saying? Still got some miles to accumulate them, guys. So these gonna be on ice for just a little while. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video. One more quick 360 Air Jordan 4 white cement. If y'all see the color changes because the LED light behind me, but these things are super nice, man. I love them, bro. I love these things, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about them in the comment section. But again, sub up, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy, The Vintage. With all this being said, man, catch you guys in next video. Peace.